Start streaming button. Bonk.
Like for an actual zombie apocalypse to ever happen, so much stuff would have to go wrong that it's so obscenely low.
Uh-huh. Bro should launch the space elevator.
I don't think we've gotten this far last time.
Nope. This is what, like phase 5 and 6?
Yeah, we are speed running this game, bro. Holy moly.
Leaving it open for a little bit will do that. Power is cooked, by the way. Like, our max consumption is like 1,300, and our production is 900.
What happened?
Welcome to the project.
I'll take
you to the
steel
power
production
plant.
Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 2 project
Yippee!
part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 2 will be completed and the construction dock will be constructed. After completion of Phase 2, the technologies of
I'm so
Tiers
excited
5
for
and 6
5 and
will
6.
be
Railway
Oil production,
transport,
jetpack.
This might feel intimidating after your previous experience, but rest assured that you would not be here if you
Railway.
were entirely
Make trains.
incompetent. Highlights are oil production, railway transportation, the jetpack, and
This is
many
about to be
more.
peak.
Completing Phase 3 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. Just remember to focus on producing and delivering the project parts, and fix its faith in you will be strengthened.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's launching. Okay, so that looked like... I kind of figured it wouldn't use all 3, and I wasn't sure, but that looked like it used one of our current things, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, new achievement. 2,500!
All right, let's see if it changes up there, bruh. What's going on? Wow.
There go the clouds.
Whoa.
Phase
We're
2
building
of
something, look at
Project
that.
It's doing a
Assembly
thing.
completed.
It's
You
doing
have
a
been
thing.
performing more adequately under pressure and are closer than ever to saving the day. Perhaps you
Is
were
it like the
right
construction
choice for the
platform or
job.
something?
Time will tell. You will now enter Phase 3 of Project Assembly. Continue as you
Whoa.
are, and there should be no issue. For humanity, for Fix-It.
It's still
The
going
hell
up
is
there.
going on
Oh,
up there? I
it
know.
It's like we're slowly building that. Oh, it's coming back down.
How many of the things that we had? Do we have 2,500?
Come with
I
me.
doubt it. We're going to steel production land.
Uh-huh. I
I've
won't
been to
lie,
steel
you know,
production land.
sick in bed yesterday, and I'd
Mhm.
be like, I want to do something, and then I'd hop on and I'd like build one thing, because it was open, and then I'd go
Mhm.
back to bed.
Oh my god!
So like, I don't know,
There's no-
just look around.
Bro. I disappear for one day.
Spencer, look in this one. Look in this one right here.
Oh!
Is this 2,500? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. That's 2,400.
And then we have enough.
Yep.
Yippee!
So,
Okay.
look in this one.
Yeah, I saw.
It's those are made with concrete. So if you'd come over here, I made concrete production too, even though we don't need it. To make that thing, there was a limestone vein, and
Mhm.
so this is also full of concrete.
I disappear for one fucking second, bro. Holy shit.
Here's the other one that we needed, Spencer. The one that we only needed 100 of is in this one.
Bro.
And then rotors are in this one. You need wires and copper wire to make all that. So if you'd come up here, there's actually copper wire production.
Mhm.
That comes from one copper vein over in the distance that I wired over here.
Yeah.
These
yeah,
three over
bruh.
here contain the normal iron stuff. This one's full of normal plates, this one's full of screws, and this one's full of iron rods, because I figured, you know, why not?
Yeah. So the real question is, what's next?
We should probably go back to base and look at the tiers 3 and 4 stuff.
Yeah. I was gonna say, because we already have one part of the next space elevator thing. I'm not sure what those other two things are.
Yeah, they're probably, because what, oil production's probably going to be the big thing to improve on. Obviously, we still, the side stuff like sulfur and quartz and stuff, we still need to progress on, and caterium.
If I had to guess, we're probably gonna get plastic from oil stuff.
Probably. Plastic might involve quartz or like some other material. There's at some point where we even need to make circuit stuff with Caterium. Alright, let's see. Tier
Not yet, I
5.
don't think.
Fluid packaging. That's for packaging oil. Petroleum power. Fuel power generator. Lets us scan for Caterium. And interesting.
Yeah, that is how we get plastic.
Yeah. So petroleum power is how we do. It's another heat, fuel thing or power thing. Jetpack is peak.
Jetpack we can actually do.
I don't have
Okay.
motor production. I realize. I didn't think
Well,
about motors.
We only need 50.
Yeah, we can probably just do jetpack.
Let's see, that's 8 or 2 rotors and 2 what the fuck are used? Stators.
I have a full thing of them.
Well, go get them, trust.
Yep. I'll get 100 stators. Come back. If you want to put the wire in, I'll grab the plates and the stators. Because we need these jetpacks, bruh.
Yeah. I concur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're the plate one, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should look at our power, by the way, through a power line. The biggest thing is like if we take everything out of one of these
Holy-
and it activates, it's the only reason it's good is because the double chests are all full, right? So
Mhm.
none of that stuff is working. If I were to take a stack out of every single thing, power would just shut
would
down so
explode.
fast.
Yeah.
So we need power. That's probably,
Well, that would be the
consumable.
oil arc.
yeah, oil power arc.
Don't worry, bro. I got the oil power arc.
What other thing do motors need? They need rotors, I think. Let me grab one of these.
Yes, bunch of rotors and stators.
Here, I'll give you half of each.
Yeah, I was about to say because this is gonna be a process. These guys are long to make. Okay.
Where they at? There
Yeah,
they
it's 12 per. Yeesh.
are. Alright, well, just sit here and tap space and let it go for a
Mhm.
little bit. Oh, excuse me.
I am gonna be in charge of making dinner tonight, just as a heads up.
W.
Gonna be making some Berbers.
I love Berbers.
Spencer special burgers.
Spencer Special Burgers. You have to do more cooking or baking stuff in person, bro. It's always funny.
That was funny. I also just like baking and cooking.
Mm-hmm.
in
I like it.
general.
I just like don't do it. I don't know.
I do it all the time, bruh. I cook
Yeah.
for myself all the time.
Yeah.
Like, women should be in the kitchen? Nuh-uh, bruh. Put me in the kitchen.
Put Spencer in the kitchen. He's perfect. There you go. Guys like cooking too.
I like cooking too.
I
I
think
don't want the women to have all the fun.
I enjoy baking. I don't know if I've like cooked anything. Like I don't know.
I mean, like, I make meals for my family at
Mhm.
least once a week.
Alright, I got all my motors. I should set up
Alright,
motor
I
production.
almost have all my motors. I have all my motors.
Put them bitches in.
Boom.
Yippee! Ooh, I also have enough.
All right.
Milestone reached. Fixit has granted
Loki,
you the
I think
power
we
of
need
flight,
oil
provided
production
you
like
have a jetpack
now.
and the appropriate
I bet you we
fuels.
need oil for the jetpack.
refuels automatically while you are
Never
still on
mind.
the surface, and different fuel types will affect the jetpack's functionality.
It takes 5 motors to make a
With this
jetpack.
increased
I have everything else
versatility,
though.
Okay.
You will no doubt achieve efficiency levels
Okay.
previously unheard of.
I'll
We're
make
gonna do oil
jetpacks in a
next.
sec. Yeah,
Yeah, we're
Um,
doing oil next. As our
I
next,
have enough-
milestone.
that's fine. I have enough to research production amplifier under alien technology. I'm gonna do it just because I'm curious as to what it is.
Production amplifier unlocked.
Just like,
Every
what does it
single
do?
manufacturing and smelting building
Oh.
will be backwards compatible with this new technology. These buildings can now have a summer sloop embedded to increase resource output
Oh,
without requiring
it's
more
a
input at the
multiplier.
cost of greatly
Holy
increased
shit.
power consumption.
Flow cycles within flow cycles make explosions into temples and explosions into temples.
It's a multiplier, bruh.
Uh-huh.
Sphere woven
It's a
windows.
×2 multiplier. It's an output, it's not an input multiplier. Putting a summer sloop in just doubles the output.
Which folds into threads.
Yeah.
Look at this right here, Spencer, where I'm standing. Behind you. Look in it. Boom.
I think they're trying to explain energy to matter conversion theory, but you don't need to understand it to
that's
do your job.
stupid.
I'll just mute them
Oh,
for you
we
so you
need
can continue
that. How do we get
mission.
more of you?
I, however, will
Are
be
they
taking
on the
notes.
scanner?
This
They
is
are on the
fascinating
scanner.
material.
I only have this one.
Dude, that's actually absurd.
That's
Okay.
really good. I'll save this
Because
one
it
in the
doesn't
storage right
increase
now.
the damn input. Oh,
That's peak.
I'm finna bust.
The fact that it's not input required is crazy, and
Yes.
it doubles even the overclocks. All right, Spencer.
Yeah.
Here's a jetpack.
I put this on my back, and then I go.
Let it refuel on the ground. Oh, it's currently using the biofuel in my inventory. Here, I'll give you a stack of if you have solid
It's
biomass.
using biofuel too. Yeah.
I bet you if we get the oil package stuff,
Or I'm sure we could use coal too.
probably fluid packaging. I bet you, packaged fuel would be the best.
Yeah.
I think I have
Okay,
some.
the pod's gone. I'm low key gonna go get some coal quick and see what that does.
Do that. Today I learned, by the way, what everything means in the what are these called? Biomass burners. Because
Mhm.
I thought they just burned to produce power all the time, and they don't actually do that. And I found out what production and capacity mean. Because if you look at our power right now, our production is 900 and our capacity is 990. That's because I have 330 biomass burners attached, but they don't do anything unless we breach 900.
Yeah.
And then they burn just to meet it. So having that little buffer is nice.
Yeah, Nelson, this is important information, by the way. Using a jetpack keeps your momentum.
Yeah.
So if
So that's
you
actually
B-hop,
good for the B-hop thing.
if you B-hop, you can actually sustain it.
Yeah. Crazy.
Okay, Loki, I'm gonna grab some coal real quick.
Yeah, check with coal. I had, from like running around, right, I have a little bit of packaged fuel, just 5, and I tested it, and it definitely gives you way more airtime.
Oh, you can't do it with coal. Huh,
I guess it has to be like processed.
I guess.
So after oil processing, we can do fluid packaging.
yeah.
Liquid biofuel. Interesting. Oh, we need plastic for
think-
fluid packaging. Well, there you go.
Mhm. I think we're gonna have. We already have the stuff for this because you've been making fucking infinite steel shit. So...
Yeah, the only thing is the motors again. So I'll go and make the motors.
yeah.
And grab.
Loki, you're gonna
stuff.
want to split it up, bruh.
Yeah.
Motors are a process.
I already have how many? 19. So I'm about halfway there.
Yeah, now I just keep my momentum with a B-hop, and I just zoom.
If you want to grab the copper sheets and just toss those in.
Yeah. I'm low-key gonna grab me a stack of solid biofuel. Yoink.
I need 100 of you.
Copper sheets? Copper shits? Where you at? There you at.
I need 100
Holy
of
hell,
you.
it's full.
Yep. That one's been full even before I AFK'd. There's just a lot of those. I don't know.
Yippee, I guess. Do you have sealed pipe production?
Don't worry, there's a full thing. I should grab some plates.
Do you have? Are you getting the stuff for motors right now?
Yeah, I have everything for the
Okay.
motors.
Okay. If you could like pull up and give me some of that stuff, then
Oh,
we'll split it up again.
I'm pulled up. I'll just drop them right here. It was you and you.
All right, 25 each.
Okay, I need to set up motor production. I bet you we're gonna need a lot of them for all this. I totally didn't even see them because we didn't need them for anything before.
Mhm.
I should grab some of these.
Milestone
All right.
reached. Crude oil can now
10
be extracted and
minutes.
refined to produce various industrially
Oh, peak.
beneficial parts. The
Um,
byproducts of these
I didn't look at
processes
tier
will
6
require
at all.
careful
Let's
management,
see.
but a capable pioneer such as
Manufacturer
yourself surely
crafts
understands
3
that.
or 4 parts
To
into another
improve
part.
efficiency,
Oh.
pipelines can now be optimized with valves to limit and balance their throughput. These were initially left out because Fixit did not want to overwhelm pioneers with complex pipeline management, but they have since been re-added after my impassioned defense of your capabilities.
Logistics MK4 or fluid packaging or petroleum power. Loki, maybe we do power. Actually, we need rubber and plastic for that.
Where's the nearest crude oil is the real question. I scanned, finna about to find out, bruh. It's taking a while.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be far.
Oh boy. Holy crap. It's gonna be like 3,000 meters away, bruh.
We are not in a crude oil kind of place.
3,000 meters!
Yeah. Oh, there's a shit ton over there, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna be going east.
It's all impure over there.
How do you know it's all impure?
You can look at it on the map. It's
Oh.
two veins that are impure and one that's normal, so it'd probably be fine. I've actually been up there before. I saw that. I remember that. I'm surprised that's the closest.
All right. Well, I'm gonna attempt to drag power lines over there with me.
Look at what you need to build first, so that you bring stuff with you, because like you need motors.
Oh, you're probably right.
Oil extractor is 15 motors. And then obviously you need sheets for pipelines. You need to build a
Oil
refinery, which is
extractor.
more motors.
Refinery. I currently have enough motors. I need Okay.
You probably need some more motors.
Okay, I can make the refinery and the extractor.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do we turn that into power?
We have to research that. Currently, the refinery, you'll be turning the oil into like plastic and rubber and stuff. The power
All right,
thing
well,
we
can
actually need to
we-
research.
That should be the next thing.
Yep.
For sure.
Because we need rubber and plastic to research it, so I think we both run over there
Okay.
and
Well,
set it up. I'm grabbing some more
Nah,
stuff
I got
for
it, bruh.
motors.
I got it, bro. Don't
I want to
worry
be there
about it.
too.
But you just built the whole fucking steel thing without me, okay?
That's true. What do I do while waiting then? Maybe I set up motor production. I can probably do that. Not what I wanted. Okay. I gotta chainsaw down these cactuses. Ow. Okay. One nice thing about the parachute that I'm gonna miss is that when you're parachuting, you have a much bigger interact distance.
Yeah. see oil land.
There's a lot
I
of
made it to oil
power
land.
slugs over there that I didn't get. That you could get if you wanted to.
And I need the oil refinery. Yippee.
Yippee. Okay, I set up motor production. Though the conveyor belt to bring over the like stators or whatever from the steel production takes so long that production hasn't started yet, and it won't for a while, but once they get here, it will.
All right, so I'm gonna start making plastic for the time being.
We need both.
I know. Just for now. If I do,
Okay, they come.
I low-key should have gotten more motors. So I could set up the second thing, but whatever.
What I should do is I should just fill these things up with what I got. There we go. Low-key, what I need to do is I need to make like a central storage facility where I just like have like a wall of storage containers that have labels that are all like, this one contains motors, this one contains concrete, this one contains reinforced iron plates. Like, I just need to move all the storage containers to a centralized thing. But then like, the plates, the reinforced iron plates will need to feed out to make the modular frames and to make the rotors and Well, yeah. In the MAM, there is a hard drive done. What is this? An alternate for frames and an alternate for molded beams. We do not need either of those. Silicon circuit board. Oh,
Why are we not going?
this one's for one that can be made in a refinery. Heavy oil residue, a byproduct of plastic and rubber production.
Yep.
Petroleum coke. There's a recipe here that combines that with wires in a refinery to make a cable, which we probably don't need. Silicon circuit board seems interesting though, because that's just copper sheets plus silica to make circuit boards, which we have both of those.
A little confused on why this isn't doing anything, low key.
Is your pump set up right? Is it pumping all the way up?
Yeah. Yeah, shit's full. It's just not going in the refinery. Like, crude oil's getting to oil. It's going through the pipe. The pipe is full. Then it's supposed to be going as a liquid into the refinery, which it is. And then the little output shit thing for the excess that's set up, but it's not going. And it's hooked up to power. Maybe I need to do this again?
Maybe there's more outputs, maybe, I don't know. Do you have it? It's like selected on,
Full
what'd you
time.
say, plastic and...
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. It's liquid waste. Maybe?
It is. There is liquid waste. That
So
that
how
should
the-
be what the fluid thing is.
So
I
how the
think.
fuck do I store that?
There's a fluid buffer in organization.
Oh.
But that means it'd be capped at a certain point. Interesting. Maybe I know you can put that liquid waste and refine it to other stuff because the recipe that I
I
was
know
just looking
that.
at. So maybe that's the most like reliable way to get rid of all liquid waste because you can put it in a buffer, but then eventually that buffer will fill up and it'll just stop working. So maybe you
Oh, I
like
know
have
that.
to turn it into something.
Well, that wouldn't stop it from producing
If the liquid buffer was full.
initially. Well, if the liquid buffer was full, but that wouldn't stop it from producing initially.
I mean, yeah, it'd work for a while.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Fluid packaging only needs plastic,
Fuck.
but then petroleum power needs plastic and rubber. I'll just... Oh, packaged heavy oil residue. So you can pack it. Okay, interesting. Packaged oil.
Unless this side is supposed to be input and this side is supposed to be output.
There should be arrows if you're hovering over it with the pipe or the other thing.
That is not very obvious. If that is it.
Hover over it with the connector thing, and it'll tell you what direction things go.
Okay, now if I go like this, not you, these, Right, okay. You are for sure. Yes, you are input. Okay. And then if I do this. Or actually, I guess for this recipe, I don't need a physical input. Okay. And now this should be output. And if I do like this. Yes, and then
What are
I
we doing it
do
up there.
like these. Yes, and now if I make you plastic, And then I hook you back up to power. Boomba? Boomba!
Does it work?
Uh-huh. We're making plastic.
Now you're thinking with plastic.
I guess I could just flush this. But low key, I'm gonna go back to base, get the shit for another refinery.
I have motor production set up, so there should be some. You'll notice it's like it's near base. You'll find it.
Is it in steel production place?
No, it's at base. I moved the
Okay.
stuff from steel production to base.
Okay.
It's kind of
Alright,
like
I'm
in
probably
the
gonna-
shit cloud a little bit.
Okay, that's fine. I'm low key gonna steal all the motors, so
Go
don't even
ahead.
worry about it. I wish there was a faster way to get back, because this is gonna be a fucking adventure.
Mm. You also need the jetpack to slide up surfaces, which you can't, or the parachute to slide up surfaces, which you can't do with the jetpack. So I
Mhm.
guess I'll keep the parachute on me.
Oh, this is just past my coal production, I think. Right? Is this my? Yeah. Okay. Beak. All right. Okay, I'm also gonna need more steel pipes.
Yeah. Go ahead and get some from the steel section. It's
So have you are you bringing all the steel stuff to base?
no, that's
now?
all in the steel thing. That might be like a project that I work on where like I just pick a spot where it's like this is where all the storage containers are gonna be. But that would be hard to do at the current stage because like the steel pipe thing, those are then used to make the like industrial beams or whatever. So it's like how would I move them here?
Yeah,
But
I suppose. I
they're
suppose.
in the storage at the steel section right now.
All right, bro said it's like low key in the shit cloud. I see.
Yes. How many motors are in there?
Let's find out. 100.
That's pretty good.
All right, time to go to Steel Land.
How would I describe
and
where they
get
are?
me some steel pipes.
They're like kind of under the thing at the front of it, like closer to where the limestone production is. It's like kind of on the opposite side of where you'll come
It's a
into it.
doggo.
W doggo.
I'm gonna take fall damage. Ow.
Yeah. I'll worry about that later.
Oh, here we go. Woomba steel pipe. All right, time to go to Oil Land. I should double check to be absolutely sure, and I have this stuff for many. Low-key gonna pick up another stack of steel pipes.
Yeah, no, I mean, take as much as you need. Power production, like, could run into issues, but it should be fine.
And then there's industrial beams somewhere. Thinking this one, right? Yes. And then
120.
I'll go back to base, grab me some more cables, and we should be like giga chillin'.
Hmm. You can be one closer.
Gotta take some serious fall damage. Ow.
One, two.
All right, off to
Off Tua.
oil production again.
And he disembarks to cook up the crude. Oh. That would have been good to check before doing all this. Whoops. 45. Well, I guess I'll just underclock it. You want to underclock?
Man, we're getting that Plastussy going over here, bruh.
Goated.
Right now we whip out another refinery. Whoa. Trippy. We need a second one for this.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna be turning all of our residual doo-doo butt into residual fuel for now. Nice. All right, we're gonna be getting residual fuel.
Huge. This could fuck up the power. That's funny. On the power, I can see you disconnecting stuff and reconnecting stuff. Bro just disconnected another thing.
Huh.
Mass consumption is at 1400 now, by the way.
Eek. 30 per minute, and your output is 60 per minute, so I can put another refinery here.
Deuterium research. Boop.
Research completed. Quickwire recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
Quickwire. I will say, last time we got a lot more research done, but this time we're a lot farther. So it's interesting. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Yeah, Power Pole Mark II.
New Caterium research options available. Congratulations on finding this metal. Many Fix-It initiatives will benefit from Caterium's applicability in advanced engineering. Also, it is probably not sentient, and so unlikely to feel pain as we exploit it.
What?
Yippee!
What do you mean by that? You mean, does that insinuate that other resources are sentient? Oh. 12 is such a weird... Okay. 12, I currently have 80. Like 5 times 60. Oh, there's a Mercer sphere over there. I need those.
Look through the window and witness a thread.
Preferred fuel. Oh.
Shit.
Yup. Okay. just not autocorrect, I see. Let's see, 80 split 3 ways. I can do that.
All right, infinite plastic.
W infinite plastic.
Oh, I have 200 plastic. Yippee.
I actually can't put you there. Yeah, it's this research currently is for fluid packaging, and then the other research for power is another 200 plastic and 200 rubber. Everything else I believe we have.
Okay. Well, plastic is chilling. I'm gonna get on rubber right now. Alright, time to set up rubber on this guy. Oil extractor. Alright, another refinery. Alright, rubber. 2 rubber. Okay.
So these are slightly too much because it's about 27. All 3 of these are about 27, cut in half. It's like 14. Oh, these just aren't. Whoops.
Low-key, can I dump the oil waste into the ocean, please?
That's crazy. Bro wants to really be in real life.
It would make it so much easier.
I think that's the point of it. That's funny. I didn't know it would be like that. Ooh, I need plastic for that. Okay. Well, I can research this.
Research completed. AI limiter recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
What does an AI limiter take? Is there any copper around here? Really just our copper vein, yeah. probably make more sense to get from that one over there. Add those 3 in the cave, huh? Yeah, no. Well, what other research can I do? Hmm.
It feels like that was bound to happen at some point, but
Yeah.
Am I really not up plates?
What if I do this? No.
Hold on, let me. I can conserve power in one place. Hold up.
Okay.
All right, try now.
Okay. Everything's up, everything's good, everything's good, everything's good, everything's good. Okay.
We must be edging though.
Yeah. When I turned it on, the power was above our production, but less than our capacity. So the biofuel burners worked for a second, and now it's down below it. So if that isn't edging,
All right, well, rubber is going.
huge. What happens if I connect this up to the power? Actually, how much power does this take? Mass consumption is 57. Yeah, enough room for that. do it this way.
What the hell? Why'd you go in the ground?
W ground go.
Low-key, I missed one thing that needs to be connected to power. Hopefully this doesn't explode everything.
We've got like 50 maybe. Should be fine.
As long as I think we're chilling, maybe.
Oh shit. That's so close.
We edging.
No, it's just something that I'm working on, like things lining up.
Oh.
It like doesn't quite line up.
Bro, my shit is all like slightly misaligned from each other.
Do you build on foundations?
Nah,
Well, there's your problem.
it's fine.
It makes it a lot easier. Like
I know.
unbelievably easier.
I know, but don't even worry about it. We have rubber and plastic now, so we're chilling.
W. Like actually starting building on foundations has been like so nice for me because since everything's lined up, especially when you go up levels, like I can straight up have one of the lifts that goes from one floor into the next floor, has no conveyor belt, it just lifts from one thing directly into another thing. Or like I can have splitters and mergers like kissing each other. It's great.
I low-key don't know what to do with the fuel that I'm making, but we have it.
So they can be used
Bottle
for
it eventually,
vehicles. Yeah, well, it's probably the fluid packaging research right now is stuff that you can do with that. Power poles Mark II. Boop.
Power Pole Mark II unlocked. This provides additional power connections compared to the Power Pole Mark I.
Jeez. Yeah, that would be nice, yeah.
It's 7 instead of 4. I will say you probably can't make it because you need quick wire to make it, but I'm producing quick wire now, so when you come back, you
Oh,
can get that.
I can cope and see. I can cope and see.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's not the end of the world, but it is a nice thing. Power poles Mark III, funnily enough, to research them, I need circuit boards, or high-speed connectors, and to research high-speed connectors, I need plastic.
Milestone reached. Avoid the embarrassment of placing liquids in your pockets only for them to spread across your suit. Package and unpackage them with the packager.
Yippee!
Bro's back at
Fluids
base.
allows them to be transported in your inventory, on conveyor belts, and by vehicles. For increased, non-pocket related fluid storage,
Alright, hold
you
on.
can
I
now
need
use
plastic
the
and
industrial
stuff. I'm coming
fluid
back to
buffer.
base. If you have any on you, I would greatly appreciate.
What?
I need, like, plastic.
Stun
For some
rebar
research
ammo
stuff, I need, like,
unlocked.
maybe 100.
This applies a moderate electric charge to the
Where you
target,
at?
capable of stunning
flying
small
back in right now.
creatures and moderately delaying larger ones. This is quite atomically exciting.
All right, petroleum
That
powered
was a
go.
physics joke.
We have everything there but the plastic and the rubber. Okay.
The pod will be back in a little bit. I have the plastic and the rubber. Where you at?
I will grab the motors. I just grabbing the motors.
Yeah, we can't actually put it in yet because the pod is gone.
Mhm.
But
Are you gonna stay to do that, or do you want to go back to your
I'm
power
gonna
stuff?
stay to do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay to do that.
Then can I have like 100 plastic if you have that much extra? Here's the motors for it. Do you have the beams for it?
Yeah. Huh.
Okay. Thank you. Analysis is zipline done.
Zipline unlocked. When equipped, the zipline facilitates travel along power lines, regardless of whether the line is powered. Note: based on previous Pioneer events, Fixit recommends not using ziplines during thunderstorms and typhoons, or while drinking coffee.
Yeah.
Why drinking coffee?
I don't know. I researched stun rebar now. I don't like the normal rebar is chill enough for me. Stun duration 5 seconds. That's actually pretty good. Wait, theoretically. No. Okay. I was wondering if I could automate rebar. I can automate rebar. I can automate normal iron rebar. Doesn't look like I can automate. Oh wait, is that an assembler? Yep, can automate stun rebar in an assembler. Okay, so I could automate our weapons.
But do we need to?
No, not really. Like ammo would be nice to have, but I don't really use it enough to quantify that.
The pod's got to get back faster, bruh.
Research completed. High-speed connector recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
Cat
Terrarium. What's it even take to make? I don't like see it. A high-speed connector. Where is it? Oh. Oh, high-speed connector is one of the things that can only be made in the big thing. It takes 3 components. Okay. Circuit boards are going to be fun to automate. Because either we need... If there's like a copper vein... I'll figure that out another time. Now I should figure this out. Oh, it's back. Launch that shit off again. Copper sheets. Wait a minute.
Milestone reached. It is my honor and privilege to inform you that the fuel-powered generator, as well as the industrial fluid buffer, are now available. Due to a lack of gold in your sector, Caterium will serve as a suitable replacement to construct the fuel-powered generator. Your research into this element was valuable. In fact, you in particular are my most valuable pioneer, but don't tell the others I
Aw,
said that. It would be bad for
yippee.
morale.
They definitely mean
No,
that.
she was talking about me. She was talking about me.
And they definitely don't say that to every pioneer.
Uh,
So what kind of Caterium do you need? You should look into that. I have some Caterium production, but like what part?
I low-key need Caterium wire.
Okay, quick wire. Then Caterium production, you can see it from base. It's like directly south of base. I made like walkways up to it. It's kind of like platforms off an edge. You'd know
South
when
of
you
base?
see it. Right, that is south of base. Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's just kind of floating there.
I made walkways up to it that you can take. And
I
then
see.
there's one storage container, and that's the only one that's filling with quickwire. If you need more than that, putz around, because that's like 1/6 of the Caterium wire generation. Everything else is going to be going into other stuff that I'm working on. It's really funny that I started working on this right now.
Alright, well, off to make fuel. Or actually, off to make oil-based or fuel-powered generator. So I'm assuming it can take the fuel that I'm making with the excess waste. So... Bro, revamping the copper shit.
Yeah, I have to, because I need copper sheets for a lot of my stuff, and so I'm increasing the copper ore production from 60 to 240. So, wait. Okay. You can't multiply the output of
A miner?
a miner. Yeah, I was like,
Okay.
wait a minute, that'd be crazy, but I don't see it here. Maybe I don't have one in my inventory, but I just don't think you can.
I'm going boyoyoing on this guy.
Yeah. Yeah?
So I can get the big height on the jetpack, and now I go meow, and I go.
How am I gonna... I want to turn you around, actually. Ooh, 240. I need more concrete. Good thing there's a big fucking concrete generator right here. Well, I'm at base. The next research we could do, we could just do logistics MK4, 480 resources per minute. What else? Pipeline engineering MK2 for more pipeline stuff. Industrial manufacturing maybe, because that's like higher tier stuff. Maybe I'll just do this, because this unlocks the manufacturer. And we have everything for that once you bring plastic back. It's kind of crazy that what you're doing is the farthest away we've ever gone for production. Like, we went way further in the past. I specifically remember a time where I conveyor belted something like so far. It's nighttime, bro. Zombies are gonna come out.
Zombie.
Zombie.
Huh?
Huh?
I thought you said zombies. Am I tripping?
Huh? I would say zombies. was I gonna? Oh yeah.
Oh, we are cooking in the fuel department now. Oh yeah.
Huge. Oh wow.
20. That's one.
Well, to reach our max consumption, there's going to be a bunch more of those, and obviously we're going to add more stuff on. But that's huge. That's a big power spike. And this stuff's always nice because we can always leave it. And like your old coal power stuff, like we might never touch it again, but it'll always be there giving us power. It's very nice. You make a blueprint that's just the smelter stuff, but I'll set it up again. 120, 120. Missing an iron plate. Uh-huh.
Hey, you want to talk about giga fuel, huh? Peep that shit now, bruh.
Bro, added another one. Damn, wait. We have 1,400 now.
That's just a little bit of overclocking on one.
W. We are
Low
almost
key,
at our
I'm gonna
max
go-
consumption. One more.
Low key. Yeah, I'm gonna go find another power slug, bruh.
There's plenty over there. Like, if you just like walk straight forward the way that you were facing just a second ago, and like, yeah, I saw so many. That's the area where I was, where I got like, where I was like, I see 2 purple power slugs and like 18 normal power slugs. They're just like all around there.
Ah, purple power slug.
Yeah.
I can land on this tree, right? Nope. How many of these power slugs are actually real, though? That's the real question.
What do you mean by that?
Because they render in, but they're not necessarily actually there.
I've never had that happen.
Could be a client thing, I don't know. This one is definitely real, though.
Or I've just been having hallucinations.
Below yellow power slug.
Bello. Not
Below second yellow power slug. Is that a purple power slug in there? Yes, it is. Oh no, I fucked it up. I'm locking in. Yes, purple power slug. Give me have it. Yes.
Yeah.
I got it. We're so chilling. I run away now.
I just got a notification that I've been playing for 24 hours.
Holy moly. Bro never closed the game.
Nope. Dude, power poles Mark II are so nice. I didn't put you guys on copper.
Alright, we're at 1615.
W.
So we are chilling in regards to everything. Okay, so I make roughly 40. How much do you consume? 50 per minute? Okay, we should be chilling then. You should be like hella chilling, actually.
Mm-hmm.
And these could technically be more efficient if I overclocked them. Right, because if I were to boom, 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 I can W. Actually, no. Doing that will W. Yes. Which means I can double overclock these guys. Yes, sir. Which then means... Actually, low-key, this buffer needs to die. Yeah.
This is 30. What do I need?
And low key, if I go get a bunch more power slugs, which should not be hard to do, granted what I just saw,
Mm-hmm.
then I can double overclock rubber as well.
Do this for another set. 2. That would give me 60. I need 75, so that's fine though.
Yummy fart gas. That doesn't scare me now.
You don't scare me.
Get the yellow power slug. Ooh. Crash site.
Ooh,
Hard
get
drive?
those.
No. I don't have the crap to repair it.
What does it need?
I'm not even sure what it was, to be frankly.
What did it look like?
It was like a square.
We have.
Oh, it needs
those.
computers.
Oh, computers? Oh. Yeah, that's Caterium stuff that I'm working towards. There's a lot of all the chip stuff. It's like Spencer,
So many fucking
you know
power
the
slugs over here.
quartz? You know the quartz in the cave next to your Sam stuff?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to wire that out of the cave, and because I need to combine that with copper sheets.
Yeah, that's gonna be a experience. Give me this fucking purple power slug.
There are 3 pure quartz veins in there, though. I went and looked. I was like, holy shit.
That just almost killed me.
L kill?
I eat unhealthy amounts of food now. And I'm okay.
That means it was healthy amounts.
There are so many power slugs over here, bro. This is wild.
Uh-huh. I feel like the closer we get to the like normal starting area that we didn't go to, the more power slugs there are.
This feels like it's way fuck off in the middle of nowhere, though.
I feel like south of you somewhere is where the normal start point is, because we picked a different one.
Fight for that. There's infinite blue power slug on the ground over here, bruh. This is insane. Just the pure number.
The pure number? W pure number?
Just like the sheer amount of power slug over here.
Low-key, all of this is gonna go to... How do I get 75? I just like split one of these in half right here and then just...
You and I make an awesome sink to walk up on to get a power slug.
Bah.
Because I don't have any normal plates. I need the awesome sink
That's
to
30.
be more like right there. Yes. That's how you know it's chalked.
Well, I have normal plate production now, so...
Where's my oil shit? I should be marking this stuff on the map.
Yeah, we really should be. Especially, like, the stuff to your base is easy enough to find. Your oil shit you should definitely mark. 'Cause that's, like, kind of far away. This is the merger. Yeah.
There's a power slug right here that I missed.
Okay, so once I split this off into something else. Right, so this is 15. This is 75. This is what I need for over there. So I should just like wire it to over there. What I could do is I could just yeah. Bro. Missing materials. Damn it. We don't have anything for the body yet. I wonder what equipment we get for the body.
Max consumption 2,000. What are we doing?
Oh,
Why did our max consumption go up to 2,000?
don't worry about it. It's nothing serious. Don't worry about it. how you'll be working. Okay. Missing iron plates. Fuck. All right, we have AI limiter automation. How much do you need? 25 per 75 is the line. I got it, bro. I'll finish it. Trust. Yum. Boop, 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 boop. Fuck. I didn't grab enough. Okay, bro got that. This one unlocks the new constructor thing that has 4 slots.
Milestone
Manufacturer.
reached.
It takes
Manufacturers can
motors
receive
and
up to
plastic
4
to
inputs
make.
for the production of complex parts, such as computers and heavy modular frames, but most importantly the 2 new project parts. The modular engine and adaptive control unit are essential for the development of Phase 3 of Project Assembly. You are making good progress. The future is starting to look bright. Research shows potential for processing planetary nutrients for pioneer benefit. Nutritional inhaler research available.
Another one? That's like our 5th one.
Nutritional inhaler
We completed a
recipe
section
unlocked. Using
of research.
This inhaler will restore
W?
health and also gives your skin a radiant glow that is connected to well-being and probably not radioactivity.
Aw.
Um, okay. I believe you. You have no reason to lie to me.
I gotta make polymer resin at some point too.
Yeah, I think, like, I did steel, and what you're doing is gonna be equivalent to my steel production in terms of, like, importance. Like, hands down, there's no doubt in my mind. Bro is gonna need to be upgrading that oil production constantly until I bet you
Yeah.
the stuff that we need to make is also made from that. Which I
Maybe,
think we
yeah.
just unlocked some of it. We unlocked both of them, actually. At the very least, your plastic is needed to build the new constructor thing, so we will need a lot of it. I'm gonna start logistics MK4. We need 200 rubber for it, but other than that, everything else is here.
Okay, well I have the rubber.
If you want to just like toss it in the chest here, oh, there's some rubber in here already. Just like toss some rubber in
Not
the
enough.
chest here for research stuff, and I'll deal with that if you want to go goon. I am. Spencer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it. The routing quartz out. It's for circuit boards, right? To automate circuit boards, I need copper sheets, and then either plastic or silica. And I feel like I'd rather not route plastic from where you're going, and I'll just figure out the
it's
cave stuff.
way fucking further
So
to route the plastic.
I will figure it out, but it's gonna be a bitch.
I mean, I somehow got power in there. Trust.
It's funny, those
And
big
you
rocks
did
that
you
you have
like
to
my art?
climb over. It was pretty peak. All the art in there was pretty funny. The rocks you have to climb over, you can blow those up. We just haven't done any sulfur research.
Yeah. Low key, it might be worth it to do the sulfur research just for that.
Yeah, it's good. Like the explosive stuff is very good to have. I can look into that. I've done a lot of what I wanted to. Sulfur. Oh, we did complete one. Oh, nice. Oh wow. Oh, that's easy. I just need some sulfur for these, I think.
Water does stop you from taking fall damage.
Good to know. Can I not make that by hand? I guess I can't. That is just from sulfur, right? What? Or do we not even have that unlocked yet? There it is. Coal and sulfur. Is there sulfur anywhere around here that I could route my coal stuff or your coal stuff to? 600 meters away. That's... I could route that to my coal stuff. Pretty normal. I will not be going to those ones.
There's another really close oil vein, yeah, down there that I'm gonna use for polymers.
W?
But that's also in a refinery, probably.
Okay, so there's a sulfur vein right there that I excuse me, could route to coal.
Oh, we don't have the recipe for that yet,
For what?
unless it's not in a polymer resin.
Let me check.
Unless it's
We
not
do.
in a refinery.
Polymer resin. We have that recipe. Where is it? It's just in a constructor, question mark?
Do I have to package shield to do that? Maybe.
It's not in a constructor. Is it in an assembler? Don't see it in an assembler
No.
either. We have it. It's right there. I see it. Maybe if I... Produced in refinery.
Yeah, we don't have access to it in the refinery though, which is.
We should have the recipe.
Oh no, it is. Oh, that's fucky wucky. Okay.
Crude oil becomes fuel and polymer
Or
resin.
fuel and polymer resins.
Well, that's
Good
fun.
to know. That means I can actually hook up another
You could make...
power.
Yeah, you could turn that fuel into packaged fuel, which we could use for the jetpack. That's probably the best fuel for the jetpack. And to
Yeah,
make...
but I feel like the power is more important.
Yeah, but that's a I guess you could... Is the fuel used for power too? Is that what that is?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah, go ahead. I did not know. And interesting. That's another thing you can do is you can package the fuel in one refinery and then unpackage it in another. Interesting. And because you get the empty canisters back, you wouldn't need to automate empty canisters. You just make a bunch and then have enough that it's infinitely goes around.
Oh, why is there a big boy down here?
Yeah.
It's a crude oil normal. All right, let's see.
Which is huge.
120 crude oil per minute.
Dude, the manufacturers are massive. Holy shit. SAM fluctuators in there. High speed connectors. Computers. Dude, I'm gonna have to do so much Caterium stuff. Oh, yep. Of the two things we need to make, Spencer, one of them takes motors, which I just automated. That looks like rubber. And then the smart plates, which we have a full double chest of. The other one takes the like special wire we also needed for phase 2 that we have a double chest of. And then the high-speed connector stuff, heavy modular frames, and computers, which are much harder to automate. I could just make this over at the steel thing. I might just do that. 'Cause there's more iron veins there, so I might just take one of those iron veins and turn it into normal modular frames to and screws to make this. That's so
You know
funny.
what? The fuel power generator is gonna live in the water.
That's fine. Spencer, to do one constructor make 2 heavy modular frames per minute, it requires 10 modular frames per minute, 40 steel pipes per minute, 10 encased industrial beams per minute, and 240 screws per minute to make 2.
Eek.
55 watts of power too. That is going to be fun. I'm gonna do this sulfur first though. This looks like it's going to be a fun divide and conquer, because you're going to be doing all the crude oil stuff. Will I basically expand even more upon the steel production stuff, because holy crap. Where's the sulfur? It's you.
All right, so what are we producing? 80. Okay. And how much are you consuming? Oh, I can overclock you all the way. Okay. Huge.
Jazz spiders, I missed.
We low key, I can actually make a second oil.
W? Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, I don't have steel beams for that, but
Hmm. Might as well.
so okay. I can low key make 2 more fully overclocked fuel power generators.
W?
I just need a couple more power slugs and some steel beams that I will get in a minute.
Yeah, I hope soon we can get we can automate power crystal stuff. Because I know the last research in the power slug chain is being able to craft them. But there's like one material that's like quantum super chips or some shit that like we definitely do not have at the moment. Damn, the ship just got back. That's great.
Yeah, that was a 15-minute ship adventure.
It getting up there.
Oh, purple power slug.
Purple power slug.
Slug. Is this a SAM vein? That's a SAM vein. Impure SAM vein.
Right at the finish line, I run out. Okay, I have routed sulfur all the way to my coal thing. I just have to go and connect up the sulfur thing. And then these 2 veins of impure coal should be perfect for it. Excuse me. You.
I gotta come back, get some steel beams, and then I'm gonna make Giga Power, and then we're gonna win.
W win. You don't see me. Too fast for ya. You don't see shit. No. No.
I also low-key just need some plates, bruh.
There is plate production. In the grouping
Maybe-
of 3 big storage things, check those. One of them is normal plates. Grab as many as you need in the steel production area.
Been playing for 2 hours. Meh. 2 hour, meh.
Meh, 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 meh.
Meh. Go outside, touch grass, meh.
We do have to do stuff with Jake today. It will be
Yes,
fun.
for sure. Alright, I need to go to Steel Land and get steel beams. And I need them plates.
I don't have like any. Okay. Well.
Where is generic plate production?
Like I said, there's a grouping
Where
of
the hell is the generic plate?
there's a grouping of
production?
it's in the steel area.
Oh, it's in Steel Land?
Yep.
Oh.
There's a grouping of 3 storage things. It's basically when automating everything, there was always a point where it was like, okay, I'm producing like 80 steel plates a second and I'm consuming 70, so I'll just route the extra 10 over here into this storage thing.
Mm-hmm.
I did the same for screws and rods. They're closer to where you come in. They're like a grouping of 3 kind of on the side that you come in on. So like kind of in the middle.
Oh, there you go. All right, now I need the steel beams. Yoinky sploinky.
Is that where it is? 15, 15.
Steel beams.
W.
What is our power looking like right now?
Our max consumption is 2,300 and our production is 2,200. So it's exactly
Okay.
100 less.
Okay. So we're like pretty much chilling.
We're pretty much chilling. There's probably no way that we would like run into that much, like need that much.
Well, the thing is as well is I'm gonna have way more in a second.
Yeah.
Because I have a bunch of overflow fuel being made right now that I'm gonna convert to power because we're gonna need it eventually, probably.
I mean, yeah, as much power as you can. We're always expanding, and you're gonna have to start making stuff with oil that'll take a lot of power. And the new constructors take like 50 watts each or whatever. Power's gonna start growing. Don't you worry about it.
Milestone reached. The transportation of resources can reach new heights of efficiency. With the Mark IV belts and lifts, the truck, but even more importantly, your effort. Handling a large and complicated vehicle like the truck should come easy to a well-trained pioneer such as you. They are an obvious improvement over tractors concerning industrial purposes. Improvements for personal use were not measured.
Probably don't need mags. Probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, and remember that you can upgrade things that are already placed. So you can upgrade a placed power pole from Mark 1 to Mark 2 and just get more slots on it just for free. It's pretty nice. Alright. And I have some automated coal or black powder sulfur stuff.
Peak.
So that means Like so I brought over 240 sulfur, and I have enough for 240 coal, and then I looked, and one assembler is 15 coal and 15 sulfur. So that'd mean I need 8 assemblers, which would be 120 things of power, and I was like, I'm just gonna not use all my coal and sulfur, because there's no way we need that much black powder. So I only built 3, and even then, we'll see how much I need in the end. But I should be able to start researching this stuff. Like, here's the explosive. Turbo fuel. Wait a minute, Spencer. There's a recipe
Detonator
called
and
turbo
basic
fuel.
Nobelisk unlocked. Most obstacles can be
It's
cleared with the
an
basic
oil thing, but
Nobelisk.
better than normal
It is
fuel.
most effective against organic material and is able to destroy small boulders and porous rock. Deployed Nobelisks will stick to the first solid surface they touch and cue on the universal detonator. If you do not recall the order in which you deployed the Nobelisks, remember Fixit does not take responsibility for any
The
harm
rifle?
caused due to human error, even if those errors are genetic.
Spencer, we could research a rifle right now. I need 200
gun?
rubber. Yeah, like a better rebar, like an actual
Remember, I
gun.
put a shit ton of rubber and plastic in the chest right next to the
Uh-huh.
research.
There's just one step I need to do before then, which is research this smokeless powder and probably automate it here.
Research completed. Smokeless powder recipe unlocked. New sulfur research available for the development of high-end weaponry and ammunition.
How does one make smokeless powder? Manufacturer, maybe? No. What? Oh. I did not even click that. Smokeless powder. Oh, Spencer, never mind. To make smokeless powder, it's made in a refinery, and I need heavy oil residue.
Fun.
Okay. Fuck. Does there happen to be sulfur and coal around the stuff over there?
Around my shit?
Yeah, search for coal and search for sulfur. Just do a quick scan. Because that's required for all of this. Nukes. I could make nukes, but that's a little far in the future. Encased uranium cell.
Look at all that power capacity. We so chillin'.
Yeah. Let me see this so-called power capacity. Damn. 3,400. We have 1,000 of leeway. We're so chillin'.
The nearest coal veins from here are over 1,000 meters away. The nearest sulfur vein
Might
is right fucking here. Or no? Are you lying to me, game?
Is it underground?
No, the nearest sulfur veins are thousands of meters away as well.
I might have to go on a journey to find a better refinery spot then.
This has been really good for power.
Yeah,
and
like
plastic and rubber.
Probably
but
use that for all power and all manufacturing and stuff, and I'll figure out guns and stuff another time. Looky, this whole thing is kind of useless then, but that's okay. Maybe I'll go to the ones that are south. The crude oil that's south. Maybe there's like sulfur down there or something. Do a coal search. Let's see what's out there for coal. Hmm. Hmm.
Research completed. Polyester fabric recipe unlocked. Using polyethylene terephthalate, production of a lightweight and strong fabric can be automated. It has many of the properties of naturally sourced fabric and also amplifies body odor.
Yummy.
That mycelia research is pretty much done, huh?
Mm-hmm. We can we can now produce fabric without mycelia.
That's good. I don't know if we need it for anything right now. Oh, I can just research that right now. Another hand slot ink.
Yes, that would be good.
It takes 500 steel beams, but that's okay.
Don't we have like infinite of that?
Yeah. I just
Yeah,
happen to
I
have
figured.
that much on me right now.
Uh-huh.
What was it under? Alien megafauna? Yeah. Boop. Boom, new hand slot.
Yes,
Tool
sir.
belt expanded. No alien organisms were harmed during the creation of this tool belt.
Yeah.
What? Pick a milestone real quick.
I'm not near base right now. I'm at my coal stuff.
Either my
You're at your stuff? Hold on. I can do that really quick. I'll run back to base.
okay.
I was just making something. Let me check the recipe for explosives. I'm assuming they're in here. Obelisk. Oh, that's pretty chill. Okay, I'll run back to base. It'll take me a little, but
Okay.
I don't need anything more over there. Everything just turned red for a second. Evil grass. Hi, in chat. Alright, I am back at base. I don't know, we don't really need anything more here. That one I can just do. Maybe pipeline engineering MK2 for bigger pipes? Question mark, would that be good for you?
I'm chilling. I don't need bigger pipes.
Because we don't really need trains. Actually, I wonder if you could try building a train from the where you are to here. That'd be fun.
That would be a process, but I mean, we could try.
And then you'd be able to like zoom. You'd be peak. It requires
May
a
as
lot
well
of stuff.
research it. May as well research it.
It doesn't need anything from you. It's all steel stuff. Pipeline engineering requires 1,000 rubber and plastic.
Well, don't even worry about rubber and plastic, bruh. Same thing goes for resin if we need any of that.
Mm-hmm. Alright, well, I'll just select this milestone. That's all stuff we have at base. I don't have any of it right now, but...
Alright, nothing that I need to get.
yeah. No, work on your shit in whatever way you want.
I mean, low key, I'm chilling, bruh.
Remember, we need your stuff to make this stuff to complete phase 3.
I know. The only real thing I would have to do is work on moving it back.
Yeah. We
It's
only
gonna be
need
a pain in the ass.
we only need rubber for modular engines. Adaptive control units, which is the one we need 100 of, is all Caterium stuff. Modular engine, which is the one we need 500 of, each one needs 15 rubber.
So 15 times 500. Holy shit.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just wire it back, because then I can... Everything else we already have automated for modular engines, so if you could bring it back, it'd be a process. I could just directly... We could just directly connect them all up and start that going. So that...
Okay, we need 7,500.
Yep, so probably automate that, because fuck if I'm touching that.
Alright, well, the rubber production is going as good as it can be right now.
Mm-hmm. How many per minute?
40.
W? That's good.
Plus 40. 80. 80. 80.
So
80
then
per minute.
probably Mark II conveyor belts.
Yeah.
So grab like an
Mhm.
inventory of reinforced plates.
Yes.
I also made the bomb stuff, and I'm making some
Mhm.
for you. So when you get back, I'll hand you like 100 bombs and a detonator.
Okay, beak.
The detonator requires an object scanner to make. It's very funny.
I'm gonna get back to base, grab some shit, and then I'm gonna go eat. I haven't eaten today.
Mm-hmm. I could
'Cause
do
I
that
woke
too,
up
and then we could take a
At
break.
like 8:20, and then like went to church,
Mhm.
and then got back, and then played game with you. And I was like 2 o'clock, and I'm like, how?
Mm-hmm. I mean, we gaming. We're like probably almost done with this phase already. Like obviously there's still plenty more stuff we can do, and Caterium, like the automation for that stuff is gonna be a bitch. But like all the oil stuff you did good on. We already, like with all the steel stuff, most of it's already done. Right, I will leave
Yeah.
in the chest at base 1 detonator and 100 bombs.
Okay.
I need another damn hand slot. I just won't have the chainsaw equipped. Oh, there do be rubber in base. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I zoom.
You zoom.
Low key running out of inventory space.
Mm-hmm. Gonna have to pick and choose.
I guess
drop
when in
some
doubt,
stuff
put
off.
shit in the awesome sink.
Yeah. That's definitely enough for some research and Caterium. Yep.
Power switch unlocked. Fixit is proud to announce that the power switch facilitates power grid management
Homing
through the
rifle ammo?
application of the very latest advances in on-off switch technology. Fixit.
On-off
it's prone
switch
to have
technology.
Power switch.
I like on-off switch technology, bruh. It's pretty peak.
It's pretty peak. Enables disables the connection between two power grids. That's pretty cool. That's like, yeah, just like a
Mhm.
spot where you can just be like, alright, disable all this stuff for now.
All right, I'm gonna go get some food. I hunger really
Okay.
bad.
I will leave this running while you're gone, but
Smart
then
splitter
when
unlocked.
you're
The
back,
Smart
we'll
Splitter
probably do stuff
offers
with Jake.
advanced settings that can improve
Yes.
conveyor belt logistics.
Smart splitter, smart splitter, smart splitter! Yippee! Shoot, we have a Mark IV now. Damn, 480. I'm like, yeah, I guess I could. Oh, that's fun. So I could like combine everything here, all the big things into one, and then sort it all out back at base, which is over there. I thought it was at steel production, not Caterium. I don't know why I thought that. What does it take to make these? I guess it's good I have them automated then. Bro, it's just so massive. Oh, that's right. I need to make these. Yeah. It's like in here in the cave, route it out, and then route it down here. Maybe that one copper vein might not be enough. I need this too. And I've already used most of the copper vein. I could wire this. That would be easy enough. Turn what's left from here back into the stuff to go to base. And then wire this up. Oh well. That's for another day. Good night, stream.